Hi, I'm Josh and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken 65. Before I begin, YouTube is saying that only 27% of you watching this video are subscribed, so please take a second to subscribe and like. Thanks. To make the marination part of chicken 65, you will need 2 large chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, half a cup, that's 250 milliliters of plain yogurt, 2 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Chilli Powder, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, or 6 tablespoons if using one type of flour. For seasoning, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 10 curry leaves, 5 Birds Eye Chillis sliced finely, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, half a teaspoon of Cumin Seeds, 3 cloves of coarsely grated garlic, half a teaspoon of sugar, and for decoration, slices or wedges of lemon and red onion. Start by adding the yogurt, garlic and ginger paste, chili powder, cumin powder, ground pepper, turmeric, salt and Kashmiri Chilli Powder to a bowl and mix together well. Add in the chicken and coat thoroughly. Once combined, add the flour and mix through. Allow to marinate for at least 20 minutes, ideally overnight. Heat a pan with 2 to 3 centimeters of oil and shallow fry for a couple of minutes. Be really careful when dropping the chicken in the oil. I got my dad to do this part as last time I sprayed myself with hot oil. After a couple of minutes, turn once and allow to cook for another 2 minutes. Remove once they become crispy and the meat is cooked through. Drain on a plate with some kitchen paper. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan on medium heat. And add the chilies and fry for 30 seconds before adding the curry leaves and continue to fry for another minute. Add the grated garlic, fry for 30 seconds, then add the cumin seeds and pepper. Finally, add the cooked meat back into a pan, stir through and sprinkle over the sugar. Transfer to a plate and serve with slices of lemon and red onion. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.